Here are some of the latest headlines in the COVID-19 outbreak in Washington. The House hopes to have a swift vote to pass the $2.2 trillion economic stimulus package, but it has hit a snag, and it's this guy, Congressman Thomas Massie, a Kentucky Republican, who's threatened to try to force a roll call vote instead of the expected voice vote, so lawmakers wouldn't have to risk going to the Capitol. The Democratic leaders have now urged lawmakers who are willing and able to come to the Capitol to cast the vote. President Trump tweeting in the last 15 minutes calling that representative a publicity-seeking grandstander. Stocks right now significantly down on Wall Street. The market giving back some of the gains it piled up over the past 3 days. Right now, it's down about 4%, 915 points. The Dow was up 20% over the last 3 days, so a little bit of profit taking there. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson has tested positive for COVID-19. Johnson's office says he was tested after showing mild symptoms. They say he is self-isolating and is continuing to lead that country's response to the outbreak. It's going to be a quiet weekend here in Minnesota. The governor's stay-at-home order goes into effect tonight, just before midnight. Already streets and businesses are quiet. Midnight there, the deadline. Many operations have either closed or told their employees to work from home. Some things will be open, grocery and liquor stores, but school has been out across the state since last week. With this order coming into effect, a lot more change is in store.
And with those changes, a lot of you have been asking us what you can do and what you can't do, and how the police will enforce that staying at home order. Now, Governor Walz did emphasize that law enforcement isn't really interested in giving out citations. Technically, this is an order, so violations classify as a misdemeanor, but police will really be focused on educating people, anyone who might be breaking the order. The governor says it would take an extreme kind of defiance to get a $1,000 fine or jail time, something like having a big party at your house and then refusing to break it up. You don't need permission to leave your house. You can still spend time outside, alone or in small groups, while still respecting that social distance, that's 6 feet away from each other. You can still go to the grocery store, the hardware store. You can get gas. You can donate blood. Construction is still on. Utility companies are still running. Car repair shops and rest area stops can operate as well. Now, it's bars and restaurants. They are still limited to takeout or delivery only. The malls and shopping centers are closed. And the only people going to work right now are the ones who work for an essential business, a critical business there, and cannot do it from home. And we're going to talk about that in just a couple of minutes.
The health department saying that both of the Minnesotans who died from COVID-19 were in their 80s, and they both lived in Ramsey County. There are now 346 confirmed cases in Minnesota. The ages range from 5 months to 104 years old. More than a third of the affected Minnesotans have recovered. Let's give you the latest total numbers of confirmed cases. Wisconsin, 707 known cases. The majority of them are around Milwaukee. 8 people in that state have died. Those total cases help the United States reach a grim milestone. We now have the most coronavirus infections in the world. There are now just over 86,000 confirmed cases in the United States. That is more than China, more than Italy. It makes the U.S. the epicenter of this global pandemic.
Millions of tax dollars are now dedicated to helping Minnesotans who have been impacted by COVID-19. State lawmakers approved a bill yesterday, a $330 million relief bill. Most of it is going to go into a reserve fund, and the rest of it will be spent on emergency loans for small businesses, helping first responders, veterans, food shelves, and more. This bill did have bipartisan support. Senator Amy Klobuchar says that her husband is now recovering at home from COVID-19. John Bressler was in a Virginia hospital this week for pneumonia and low oxygen. In a statement, Senator Klobuchar thanked the medical team and all of the healthcare workers for what they do.
Fairview is transitioning Bethesda Hospital in St. Paul into a dedicated facility to treat COVID-19 patients. WCCO got a behind-the-scenes tour. Nurses showing us how they gear up to protect themselves. We also saw some upgrades to patient rooms, including negative airflow rooms. The idea is to keep the virus from spreading through the ventilation system, getting into the hallway. 2 weeks ago, this was all just an idea, but now they're ready to accept patients. Bethesda Hospital will have 90 beds available. 35 will be intensive care. Now, a big part of the plan to contain this pandemic is to expand patient testing. Right now, this is how it's done. Clinicians have to take a throat and nasal sample. They really shove that thing deep up your nose. It's invasive. It can be uncomfortable. So United Health Group creating a much shorter nasal swab that patients use to take their own sample. It's just as accurate, and it keeps healthcare workers safer. The goal is for people to eventually use these kits on their own at home.